Uganda is a home to nearly 2 million refugees, fathers, mothers, and children who have fled war and instability in search of a second chance in life.
In refugee camps across Uganda, families face daily challenges. Education is limited, food is scarce, and opportunities to earn a living are few. But what we see most is not weakness, it is resilience.
At HASNet, we don't just provide aid. We work alongside these communities to restore hope and dignity and build systems they need to thrive on their own.
We focus on literacy and primary education. When a child learns to read, they don't just gain a skill, they gain a future.
Through sustainable farming, families can grow food, improve nutrition, and reduce dependence on aid. I volunteer with HASNet because I've seen how skills training gives people confidence and the real chance to support themselves.
When refugees are given the right support, they don't just survive, they rebuild their lives.
This work is only possible with support from people like you. Stand with refugee communities in Uganda, support HASNet, and help turn hope into a lasting change. Thank you.